Hello everyone, I am Shubhangi Virurkar. Welcome to all of you in my channel Learning with Joy. In today's session, we are going to see how we can mark attendance in a Google Meet. Okay, so for this, just go in your Chrome. This Google Meet attendance is nothing but add-on extensions which we have to add in our Chrome. So here, just click on this. You can see the 9 colorful dots. So click on this app. Once you click on this app, you will get option Web Store. Click on Web Store. Here you have to search your Google Meet. So you will get option Google Meet attendance. So click on a Google Meet attendance. Once you click on a Google Meet attendance, you will get option like Google Meet attendance this. So click on this Meet attendance Apple symbol you are getting. Out of this you can choose this or this, but I will prefer to choose this. So click on this Meet attendance option and click on Add to Chrome. Once you click on Add to Chrome, it will ask you again read and change your data from Meet googlemeet.com. Click on Add extension. Once you click, you will get here message that Meet attendance has been added to your Chrome, and this icon will be visible as an extension that act on your current page. Okay, so here you will get it available. So if you want to get synchro with your all computers, you can click here with this mail on your synchro. I just want to do it on this laptop only, so I will not click on synchro. So you can see that now on your Google page, add-on extension is added, and here you can see that your Meet attendance feature is added. Okay, so now what we will do? We will just go and join Google Meet. So in calendar you will get your previous schedule meets also. So just sign with your Gmail. Once you sign in with your Gmail, here you will get your calendar, Google Calendar. Whatever meetings are scheduled previously, you can join that meeting. As you can see that you have joined this meeting. So now near to this people option, show everyone. Here you will get this feature, that is add attendance, this symbol. So click on this symbol. Your attendance will be available here. So you can see that like I am only one user was there. So date, and that is a 14, and timing. So although meeting was scheduled on 12, but current attendance you people can see that I have joined on 14/7 and time of attendance. Okay, in this way if number of users are there, you will get a database of number of users in your Excel sheet. So you can mark your attendance like this whenever you are conducting your Google Meet. So for more videos, keep watching Learning with Joy and be with me. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel Learning with Joy.